Technology has connected the world, and languages connect us all. It's time to innovate the way we teach languages. It's time for Everybody Loves Languages, a powerful tech-based language education solution. ELL's all-in-one learning ecosystem is embraced by universities, schools, and corporations around the world for students of all ages. ELL makes it easy for educational institutions to transition to tech-based and interactive teaching, backed by engaging and dynamic multimedia experiences on any device. With thousands of hours of built-in language courses for all CEFR levels, ELL delivers all the content for effective learning. With ELL's proprietary learning management system, you'll have access to a variety of learning tools, apps, tests. Plus, you can track progress of every student, manage your classes, personalize your lessons, and more. ELL's world-class consultants and support teams are always available for you. Partner with ELL Technologies today and transform the way your organization teaches languages. Together, let's build a connected, multilingual world.